Hi, Randy. This is Viola Barnett. Thank you so much for responding to that Facebook post that I put up earlier today. And thanks for clicking on this video. So I'm going to go over three things with you that can help you with your business that I noticed so far. And those three things are content, backlinks, and citations. So far, you have a pretty good looking website. I love that you do have the call to action up here. I do think that you should make this clickable, the phone number, because when people come in, even though this is clickable, it's always good to have the phone number clickable because people usually, by the time they come to your site, 9 times out of 10, they just kind of want to call. But this is a directory, right? So the good thing about a directory is that you have the opportunity to pretty much be found anywhere. If somebody's searching for carpet cleaning near me. So that is very important to have incorporated in the content on your page. And I'll explain this to you in another way. So if somebody goes to Google and they're typing in carpet cleaning Bend, Oregon, for example, right? Google's job is to put them in front of the article that has the most words on it. And 9 times out of 10, these articles on the home page have at least 1,500 to 2,000 words on their homepage of their website. So in order to be found here, you will have to increase the content on your homepage in order for Google to see you as an authoritative site in their eyes, right? The other thing I wanted to mention are backlinks. So I noticed this is a tool that I use called Ahrefs. I pay about $100 a month for it. And this just lets me see the back end of a website and see what's going on. So a backlink, in case you don't know, is simply a website referring back to another website and in turn giving that website power. So it tells me here you have 4 other websites that are linking back to you 9 times. Notice what you won't see here are the websites that you are linking towards. So I mentioned that only because I noticed on your page you have all of these powerful sources on here, but they're getting power from you because when somebody lands on your page and they say, oh, the NADCA, they're going to click on this and the NADCA is going to get power, not necessarily you. So you just have to get a few more links linking back to you. And the strategy to get that done is I went ahead and pulled up one of the top companies on this same search, carpet cleaning Bend, Oregon, and the top company is Stanley Steemer, of course. They're all over the place. So I pulled them up in the back in that same tool that I use, Ahrefs. And I know you're probably thinking, how can I beat Stanley Steemer, right? Super simple. So on the backlinks, you notice they have 18 backlinks that are linking back to them. Right now, I would go in and see exactly which ones they have that are powerful for them. As you can see, there's a lot that have 71, and power is basically the DRUR. I don't want to get too technical, but once these numbers are high, that's the more power, right? So I would go in and find out exactly what links are working for them, and I'll go ahead and ask for a link on those same exact pages, so that way I know that I'm outranking them in that area. Because think about it, if you're outranking them with the content and backlinks, then you're going to start seeing this organic traffic come towards your page on a monthly basis as well too. And the other thing I wanted to go over with you are the keywords. Super important, super important, because Randy, the keywords is what makes the difference. This is how people find you. So I know you're probably wondering, why did I choose Bend, Oregon? Well, when I went on your page and I looked in the back end, for whatever reason, you have carpet repair, but you only have 3 keywords, and carpet repair Bend, Oregon is the #1 keyword. So although when I looked you up, I noticed you're not in Bend, Oregon, so I'm not sure if that's where your business is or that's where you want to point it at, but either way, I just chose that because that's what I saw here. Yet they're still missing the #1 keyword. If you look here, carpet cleaning Bend, Oregon, specifically labeled just like that, this is telling me that 500 people search for that keyword per month. And this company, Stanley Steemer, gets 143 customers per month just from this keyword. So when somebody goes on Google and they type in carpet cleaning Bend, Oregon, And Stanley Steemer comes up number one. They come up first. And as you saw from what I showed you in the overview, they don't have a whole lot going on for them to be beat. They're actually going to be pretty easy to beat out. But the thing is that it's a matter of going in there and getting these different keywords. Let's go down. I'll give you one more. For example, Carpet Bend, Oregon. 150 people search for this per month. Stanley Steemer gets less than a client per month from it, and they're the number 25 spot on Google for it. They just moved up 11 spaces for that, and this is just for one city. You follow? You have a national, when you have a directory, that's more of a national site, so you literally can dive into every single city there is. I'm sure you probably thought of that when you wanted to create this business, as far as all the different locations that you can tap into. Well, they have to be able to find you. So when somebody types in carpet cleaning near me, this should pop up, and then everybody else after through your page. So it's important to incorporate some of those keywords on this home page, on this landing page, so that way that people can locate you and find you when they're searching in carpet cleaning near me. Right? That's the number one you want to make sure you have on yours. Anyways, that's all I have for you, Randy. Thanks so much again for requesting this. If you want some help doing this, then of course, just shoot me a message or respond to this email, and I'll be more than happy to partner with you. But again, like I mentioned in the thread, I'm really just trying to help out as many business owners as I can. So if you do find this helpful and you are able to do any of this yourself, just give me some feedback. Let me know, because I am shooting quite a few of these videos. All right. Thanks again. And I hope you have a wonderful holiday and enjoy the rest of your day. Thanks, Randy. Bye-bye.